Good morning, yogis. I'm going to take you through a simple morning yoga sequence for full body flexibility. This is also day 21 of the 30-day morning yoga movement challenge. If you're new here, it's not too late to join. Just click the link that's right below in the description box or go watch the day 0 video, 10 minutes of yoga every day for 30 days. Otherwise, if you've already been practicing with me and you're familiar, we'll just get started. Do have 2 blocks for our practice today. We're going to use them right away, starting in supported fish pose. So first block underneath the upper back, second block underneath the back of your head. And just lower yourself gently here, arranging them as needed. And maybe your legs go straight out in front of you, or because we are working on flexibility today, you might want to bring your feet together, knees apart, inviting an opening through your hips. And every day we use a different affirmation to help set the tone, not only for our morning yoga practice, but also for the day ahead. So today our affirmation is, I am a vessel of love. I am a vessel of love. So as you lay in this heart opener, just breathe and internally repeat this affirmation a few times so that you can really anchor it. Take 2 more full, deep belly breaths. No tension through the facial muscles. And if your legs were in a butterfly shape, like what I have here, you can straighten them out. And we're just gonna lay flat on our backs without the props, so you can tuck chin to chest, move the first block to the side, and just lift yourself off of the other one before lowering down. And it might feel good to extend your arms up overhead, lengthening it out. Let's draw the right knee in towards the belly. And we're going to carry it over into a twist with an option to go deeper into the legs if you're really working on flexibility here. So cross your right knee over to the left and reach your right arm out. Maybe stay exactly as you are. If you'd like to go further, you're going to straighten your right leg and maybe slide your left hand further down that leg towards the calf. So this is a great way to start opening up the hamstrings and getting into the IT band. But stay with the twist first and foremost. So both shoulder blades are grounded, collarbones are facing up. Let's bend into our right knee. If it was straight, come all the way back through the center, and we'll switch sides. So right leg straightens, bring your left knee in towards you and find a twist first. So left knee goes to the right, left arm stretches out to the side, and then maybe go further by straightening your left leg and holding on a little bit further down. I am a vessel of love. So how would this change your day if you went through it with this intention in your heart? Let's bend the left knee, come all the way back to center, draw both knees in towards your chest, giving it a big squeeze. And we'll go right away into our first downward dog, so you can rock up, crossing at your ankles, planting your hands down and stepping your feet back. And just paddle out the feet. First downward dog of the day. Make any little movements that feel good for your low back, for your hips, for your legs, your shoulders. And we'll take some little Shakti waves. So waving through the spine, lift your heels up as high as they can go and ripple all the way forward like in a plank pose. And then bend your knees as you ripple all the way back to down dog. 2 more like this here. And make this more intuitive so it doesn't matter if it doesn't quite look like what I'm doing. You're just trying to move through your spine. Getting all little movements going. And let's come all the way forward into plank pose before lowering down to our belly. Slide your forearms out in front of you for Sphinx. And in this Sphinx pose, we're going to add on. So bring your left forearm at a 45-degree angle. Bend into your right knee and see if you can reach back with your hand to pull that heel in towards you. So you need to push a little bit into the pubic bone, lengthen your tailbone back, and open up through your chest. And let's release, switching sides, right forearm at a 45-degree angle. Bend into your left knee and maybe reach back, pulling it in. And let's let this go. Lowering down, downward facing dog. Let's reach our right leg up, bend your knee, open up your hip, and find your high lunge. That foot forward in between the palms. Come up into your high lunge, push into the feet, lift. And open up through your arms, interlace your fingers behind your lower back, roll your shoulders down and away as you peel the chest open, and then go ahead and dive forward and down, lifting your knuckles off of your lower back. Just stretching through your shoulders. We're not here for too long. Let's bring our fingertips down to the floor and widen your foot so it goes more towards the outer edge of your mat, both hands to the insides of that leg. And then right arm extends forward. Bicep along the ear. And inhale, open it all the way up. We're going to come right away into a pigeon pose here. So right knee behind the right wrist. Straighten and square through your hips here and stay up onto your fingertips rather than folding down. As you inhale, find a lift through the chest. Exhale, bend all the way. 2 more like this. Getting movement through your spine. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And this time, exhale, let yourself settle all the way down. 3 to 5 breaths in this pose. Keeping your affirmation in your heart, in your mind. And we'll meet back in downward dog. Take your time, make any little adjustments and movements here that feel good. Stepping that right leg back. And we'll find the sequence on the other side. Reach your left leg up to the sky, bend your knee, open up your hip, and find your high lunge. Left foot forward between the hands, push the feet into the floor, rising up. And we'll open up the arms, interlace a more unusual way. So your other thumb on top, roll the shoulders back as you open, and exhale, dive it down, reach your knuckles up and over. And you can definitely rest on your front thigh here for more support. Let's bring our hands to the floor and walk your left foot out wider. So both hands are to the inside of that leg in this variation of lizard pose. And we'll stretch our left arm, bicep along the ear, fingers reaching forward. A little bit of strength and open it up into your twist, left arm up. And left hand coming down, pigeon pose on the second side. Left knee goes behind the wrist. Square off the hips and come up onto your fingers. Inhale, open up, back bend. Exhale, folding down. Twice more here. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale, rise. And this time, exhale, let yourself settle all the way down. 3 to 5 breaths in this pose. And we'll be coming to our final downward facing dog. Take your time, stepping it back. And I'm not really doing any vinyasas today. You're welcome to do one at home if you'd like. Otherwise, just take your last few moments in this down dog. Just stretch everything out and come to take a seat. Sitting up tall. Closing your practice by bringing your palms together at the heart. Cleansing breath, inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. And bowing forward, namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this 10-minute morning yoga flow with me. Please leave me a comment down below. Use the hashtag #GoodMorning so I know you're part of the morning yoga movement. And hopefully I'll practice again with you tomorrow morning. You are not done yet. I would love for you to click on this video right here to do a 5-minute guided affirmation meditation. Also, click the link down below right here in order to be notified of every new video that I release, part of this morning yoga movement. Thank you again, and I'll see you tomorrow.